Hi, Emmy. I made this video as a practice video for you. So, what I want you to do is take a page and fill it with animal heads. And what you want to do is kind of limit how much time you spend on each one. Like, why don't we say 3 minutes a piece? Only because I like the number three. Like, don't go any longer than 3 minutes. So that means in 15 minutes you could do 5 animals. So this project will do a couple things for you as an artist. It will help you uh, learn to see and help you draw more accurately, but it will also teach you about animal faces. And there's probably a lot that you've never even noticed. I really enjoyed doing this because there's a lot of details in animal faces that I don't know. I don't memorize all of them. But I came up with this project because you do a lot of animals and I know you like them. And this is something you can do without me because really it doesn't matter how good the animals come out. It's more that your brain is getting some exercise in looking and drawing, right? And you're studying animals so that the next time you want to make up your own frog or bunny, you will be able to do it easier. So it would be super cool if you did this right before class because you would be so warmed up that whatever project we do in class will come out better. So I don't know if you've ever taken music lessons or anything, but you have to warm up, right? Dance, you have to warm up first. So artists will do things like this just to get everything ready to go before they do the real thing. And you know how I can barely hear you in class? I have a question. So, on the last project we did you just want to do a lobster? Is that all that was? I thought that we were taking that lizard and making a new creature, but later on, after we ended class, I'm like, I think that was just a lobster. And the feet in the middle, I called them tentacles or hair because I didn't know. So forgive me. Uh, it's kind of silly. So hopefully you had fun with your lobster. And if it was a combination of a lobster and a lizard and some other things, then cool. I didn't mess up. So, you know, when I think of like cute animals, I don't think of bulls with giant horns, you know. But it's good as an artist to draw the things that you don't normally draw because it makes you stronger. It works out your art muscles just a little bit more. There aren't any rules on shading or anything like that for this project. You can add shading if you have time. most likely, like the first animal you do will take the longest, and then they'll keep getting faster as you're getting more and more warmed up. Because we're not doing just one picture of a frog or a bunny or a pig, we can like let go of some of the pressure that we normally put on ourselves because we know that this is just to help us. This isn't anything we have to share with the world. It's just for us. And so that means that, it doesn't feel like work. It's easy. Your only job is to see how much you can see. So I'm drawing this little raccoon. Do you have raccoons at your house? Um, we have a little family, I think, and they run across the rooftops at night. So sometimes we hear them, and it was very cute when I could see them. And we have lots of possums too. I wonder if there's an opossum on this page. Doesn't look like it, but there should be. I love opossums. Okay, so you can see I got 4 done. So if you want to do, at least shoot for 4 or 5, uh, and only do this for 15 minutes, because if you let yourself work too hard, it just won't feel good. And we want this to be easy and light. So go ahead and give it a shot and tell me how you like doing that. I know it's like homework, but it's homework for art, which is really fun. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.